Hi, this is Gabe with GuideWiz. Today I'm going to show you how to draw in Adobe Express. Now, drawing is not a native feature in Adobe Express, but you can find a way around it. So in order to start, we need to open a new document. You can do this by pressing this plus, and we can go with any size. It doesn't matter for this case. And now all you have to do is go to the Elements tab, select Shapes, and here you will have this button, Draw Shape. You'll have here many options to choose from: the border type, the thickness, the colors, and so on. So you can just go on and draw anything you like. Obviously, I'm not a drawer. This is just an example. But yeah, you can do basic drawings, adjust the type of borders that you like. If you have it selected, you can preview the many types of borders. You can play with the thickness, with the colors, with the transparency, so on and so forth. After you've completed your drawing, you can press done, and there you have it. You have your drawing. You can also pair it with other predefined shapes, like this one, for example. You can combine it in any way you want, and after that you can select both of the shapes, press Ctrl G and group them, or right click and select group. So yeah, there you have it. Obviously, like I said, I'm not a drawer, but with a little creativity you can make your way around drawing in Adobe Express. If you want to try the Pro version, be sure to check the link in the description. Please like the video if you find this helpful, and subscribe to my channel for more.